Alright, so I've cut that clutch adjusting screw. And it fits in there perfectly. Like this. And then we'll wind the nut on. I'm going to spin the nut on a little bit here for a minute. Oops, sorry, I went out of frame. Spin that on there just temporary so I don't lose track of the nut. Take this out. Loctite. You don't want this loosening out, falling out in your motor. I can only imagine the havoc that would create for everybody involved in the game. Alright? Loctite's cheap. If you own a Harley, you should own Loctite. Okay, Loctite's on there. I'm going to wind that in until I got my total length of 2 inches again. So I'm going to roll this back to 2. Hold up. Roll it in. Looks pretty good. And then minus a quarter turn because we're touching the bottom. Roll it out. Quarter turn. Sorry, I was out of frame again. I'm in the bottom. Back out a good solid quarter turn. Wind this nut in there. I'm going to lock that nut on. And 16th wrench. And just give it a good little crank it on there. It doesn't turn by much to lock it on. There we are. Okay, our next trick is we're going to actually install this in there. I'm going to wipe this area off. I'm going to put a little bit of lubricant on the O-ring. Never crank an O-ring in dry. Okay, never. Even if it's just a little bit of oil. Don't put an O-ring on dry.